This quick Pilates mat workout is the perfect pick-me-up for a busy day. No extra equipment needed. All you'll need is a space to lie down, stretch out, and get ready to move. I'm Hannah Ray from Clarity Pilates. Let's get on the mat. We'll start lying on our backs and pressing into the 100 position, pumping the arms, taking nice full deep breaths. If this lower leg level is challenging for you, feel free to lift the legs higher or bend the knees anytime to make sure that you stay in your abs and out of your low back. Make sure you keep the arm pumps really strong here, so arms stay straight, no floppy wrists, and each pump should take you up and down between 4 and 6 inches, according to Joe Pilates' book. This is going to ensure that you get the most out of this short exercise. Last deep breath, you're almost there. Excellent. Rest the legs down, arms reach up overhead. Just take a moment, get a nice big stretch like it's first thing in the morning. And then we'll meet sitting up for the roll back. So you can come to sitting with your feet planted in front of you. Hands are going to be behind the thighs. You're going to scoop the belly in, lean back until the tailbone tucks under, and then bend the elbows to pull yourself back forward. So the whole time we're going to keep the spine round and just rock back and forth with the assistance of the arms. This gives the lower back a really nice massage, continues to wake up the core. This next one, pause as you lean back. We're going to release our arms one at a time and just hold for 3, 2, 1. Lie everything down and hug the knees to the chest. Really nicely done. Rest for a moment, and then we'll extend both legs long for single leg circles. You'll have one leg lifted up toward the ceiling, and you can have it straight or bent. I find bent is feeling a bit better for me lately. And then you'll circle that leg across the body, around and up 5 times. Let's all meet at the top and reverse 5 times the other way. Really make sure you're keeping your abs engaged here so the hips don't rock too much side to side. Last 2. And last one, hug that knee into the chest. Give yourself a nice little squeeze. Rock that leg side to side to massage the hip. And then we'll go ahead and switch to the other side, starting across the body, 5 circles. Keeping the abs pulled strongly in, and you can make these circles as big or as small as feels good for you. Last time in this direction. And then we'll circle the other way, meeting at the top, go out, across, and up. 5 more times. Excellent. Hug that knee into the chest. Give a nice strong squeeze, maybe massage, rock in the hip. And then listen carefully. You're going to bring the other knee into the chest to join. And you're going to rock yourself up to sitting and just start to roll like a ball. So you have a few options here. The hands can be behind the thighs like I'm showing here, or you can place them on the shins, which is a little more traditional and for some of us a little bit more challenging. It's also important to note that we want to stay in this ball shape, so no rabbit kicks, as I call them, where the heels flick out. We want the heels to stay in close to our booty as we roll. You may even find holding the ankles, if you can reach, helpful for achieving that. Try a few more on your own. On your next roll up, we can all meet at the top for a quick balance. And then we're going to place both hands onto the right leg, lean back and extend the left leg out long. Head stays lifted, and we start to switch the legs back and forth for single leg stretch. Really make sure to keep your abs super strong here and give a nice little pull to each knee as it comes into your chest. Hug both knees in now and reach both arms and legs out and away from one another for double leg stretch. Like the 100, we can aim the legs a little higher to help relieve any effort in the low back, and a little lower if you want more of a challenge. Well done. Hug the knees in, rest your head. We're going to take a quick little stretch here. So pressing the knees into the hands, we're going to start to traction our low back. Tailbone should feel heavier on the mat. And then we'll hug the knees back in. So we're lengthening the tailbone as the knees press out into the hands, and then letting it gently release as we bring the knees and give them a little pull back into the chest. Let's do this one more time. Sitting up now for spine stretch forward, feet a bit wider than hip width and arms in front of you. It's almost like someone grabbed your ponytail and gave it a little tug down towards the mat. So we're dropping top of the head between the knees, abs are still strong, and then we scoop the abs in to come back up. So it's not a reach forward to the toes, and it's not a fall down for a stretch. We're really actively engaging to go up and over, like you want it to curl into a little nautilus shell. Let's all inhale at the top. Exhale as you go down, using your abs to push out all the air. And then inhaling back up. We'll do that one more time. Inhaling up to the top, and you are all done. Thank you so much for doing this quick workout with me. I hope it's given a nice boost to your day. When you have time for a longer workout, there's a link in the description below for my online mat classes that you can check out. And if you want to support more free videos like this one, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.